For well over a decade, Price Electronics has been a trusted supplier of both Price and third-party controls systems. Price Electronics operates in a state-of-the-art, climate-controlled production space. The expanded facility increased floor space from 13,000 square feet to 21,000 square feet, with an increased capacity of 60% to serve the growing market. An engineering lab for DVT, design, verification, and testing, has also been added. This high-technology lab has a temperature chamber for thermal cycling, airflow rigs, ultra-high-speed digital oscilloscopes, an electrostatic discharge gun, and other equipment for ensuring our electronic designs are robust and ready for the global market. A circuit board's journey through the manufacturing line begins at the automated stencil printer. Each circuit board has its own precision-aligned stencil, through which lead-free paste is applied to ensure a clean solder print. From there, the circuit board enters the high-speed pick-and-place machine. With 16 turret heads, this chip shooter can apply 30,000 small parts per hour, ensuring accurate placement through the machine's vision system. Price Electronics has 3 pick-and-place machines to ensure smooth production if one line requires service or to accommodate a surge in demand. The general surface mount machine performs the same function as the pick-and-place, while accommodating larger, more complex parts. The circuit board then undergoes visual inspection before being soldered in 10 heat stages in the Reflow Oven. When soldering is complete, the board goes through a round of 3D optical inspection, verifying quality on placement, soldering, and component types. This machine can measure down to the micrometer level to detect any anomalies that would be impossible to detect by the naked eye. Some circuit boards requiring specialized parts are completed in the wave solder machine. All boards are then delivered to the test cell, where certified Price Electronics technicians program and test thousands of products per day. Units requiring further testing and verification go to the burn-in test rack and are cycled for 48 hours at full load and then retested to ensure uncompromised performance. Final assembly is the last stop, where labels, heat sinks, and enclosures are all included. Since all design, production, and testing takes place in-house, Price Electronics offers some of the shortest lead times in the industry. Price also offers wire harness products as a value add to our circuit boards, ensuring compatibility and ease of installation and guaranteeing performance with our products. It's clear that Price Electronics is now better equipped than ever to serve our third-party clients and support Price's line of air distribution products with integrated control solutions. To learn more, please visit priceelectronics.ca.